Hello students, Edunotech Private Limited wishes you all the very best for your NSE basic examination tomorrow. So tomorrow, that is 29th of August 2021, Edunotech Private Limited is conducting basic NSE exam. Those students who have applied for specific exams, for example bio, physics or chemistry, please go on our official website and check for the date of those examinations. Tomorrow is only the basic NSE exam. Also, the timing of the exam tomorrow, that is 29th August 2021, is from 10 in the morning till 4 in the evening. So the timing is 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Students, it will include 50 questions on GK, reasoning and English. Also, it will be only for 30 minutes. So the exam is conducted for 30 minutes from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. You can access the link at any time between 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Those students who will try to access the link before 10 a.m. or after 4 p.m. will not be given the access. Also, we are having a few queries from a few students that they are not being able to download the admit card. Students, we think the fault is from your side. It is that you are not entering the right email ID and the right date of birth. So try to recall what was the email ID given by you at the time of filling the application and what was your date of birth that you filled at the time of filling the application, because that email ID and that date of birth is only acceptable to access the admit card. Those students who have downloaded the admit card, they are given the password for the exam and the link of the exam will be activated on our official website www.nationalscholarship.com. We suggest you to go and access give the exam through that link which is given on our official website, although we will share the link on WhatsApp groups as well, but try to access it from the official website only. The result for the exam will be declared on 15th September 2021, and those students who are not, for some reason, are not being able to give the exam tomorrow, don't worry, don't panic. Edunotech Private Limited is here to help you out. We will also have a backup exam. The information for the backup exam for students who are couldn't give the tomorrow's exam, 29th August exam, don't worry, it is for those students. The information will be shared to you via email and WhatsApp. So it will be conducted before 15th September so that we can declare the result of the exam of all the students, basic NSE exam and backup exam on 15th September only. Edunotech Private Limited wishes you all the very best for your exams tomorrow, that is 29th of August from 10 a.m. in the morning till 4 p.m. in the evening. 50 questions, 30 minutes, all the very best.